to start cleaning out the interior. It's still full of rat poop. And I want to be able to come in here and work on things. And right now I can't because it's so dirty. So I'm going to pull everything out. Seat belts, hat rack, carpets, anything else. These B-pillar trims. I might even pull the headliner, I'm not sure yet. But I need to figure out how to take these seat belts out. The bottom's easy. So let me do that now. The first thing is going to be vacuuming. I'm just going to go through and get as much out as I can. I already did this side. This was full to the brim. That side needs work. Everything. Let me vacuum. And then there's some weird white powder up here. I hope that's not Bondo. But let's figure out what that is. So you want to pull these out with something plastic on both sides to pull this off. The other thing I did, this white stuff is weird. It is not Bondo. This mat here is like impregnated with some white stuff, which is kind of worrisome. But I vacuumed up all the loose stuff. It's not Bondo. That's good. I wasn't sure at first how this, see the seatbelt has that cover over it, and all it is, rubber thing, which is cool. And if you look, the condition of it underneath is like mint condition. Got the seatbelts out, got the rack out. There's the hat rack with the trim piece. This piece is metal. And it's got two clips. These guys with the plastic backing. Took out the Cyclops third brake light. That's not going back in. This was aftermarket. Here's some of the stuff I took out. These seatbelts are metal. Ain't no plastic. They're gonna look nice. These are in such good shape.